Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, I have been loving these patch cutoff denim shorts, and I recently did this pair which I just adore, and I wanted to recreate this look but with a matching set, a two-piece set. So I will be doing that using this men's jersey that I got for like 10 bucks, and I'm using my sewing machine, a pencil, fabric scissors, sewing pins, and sewing clips. That's it. For more information, just scroll down to that description box and let's get started. First, I flipped the jersey inside out, and now I am using my fabric scissors to crop it to the length that I want it to be. Once that's done, I'm going to start working with the top first and save that bottom piece of material for the shorts later on. So now I'm going to make this thing fit a little bit better, so I'm going to cut the sides off about 2 inches or so on each side, and now I'm going to pin along those sides so it's nice and fitted to my body. Once those pins are done, we are going to create the little strappy straps to wrap around the body. So I'm just bringing that excess fabric back, and I am cutting a strip that's about 1 inch wide and then opening it up along one of the folds. After that, I am doing the same exact thing to create a second little strap. So later on when I sew, I'm going to just attach these to the bottom at each side. They're going to wrap around the body, tie in the front. It's going to be super cute. But if you prefer not to have a wrap and tie look, you can always just go with the basic crop top look. And now it's time to work on the matching shorts. And I am using just a regular basic pair of jean shorts. I'm just laying that excess fabric on top. I removed the bottom of the belt loop so it's out of the way. And now I am adding the fabric to just the left side by folding the edges under, making sure that's nice and neat, and then using my fabric pins to attach the fabric to the top of the shorts. I left the bottom hemline intact because I thought it was really cute, and now I am just using the fabric scissors to trim any excess and make sure that those edges are nice and neat. And for the area around the zipper, I'm using fabric clips instead of pins because that material is a lot thicker than the rest. Again, tucking those edges under so everything is nice and crisp. And that is ready to go. And it looks so good. And of course, I will add that belt loop on later on. Now I'm flipping the shorts over and I'm going to do the same exact thing to that back left pocket. Taking that excess fabric, folding the edges underneath, cutting the basic shape, making sure that's all nice and crisp, pinned and clipped in place. And of course you can stop here if you'd like, but I really liked that excess trim that I cut off from the top, and I wanted to make sure I used it on the shorts too to really tie in that matching set look. So I decided to cut it off and add it to the lining of the pockets. Again, removed that belt loop and just clipped that right in place along that other pocket. Then flipped the shorts around, and I am doing the same exact thing to that back pocket. And that's it. Everything is done, pinned and clipped in place, and we're going to head over and sew this bad boy together. I'm starting with the easiest part, which is the top, and I'm just sewing along that bottom hemline and then along both of those sides to make sure that it's nice and snug now. And then I just sewed those 2 straps to the inside, the bottom of each side. Flipping it back to the right side, and this is what it's looking like. Super cute, and it's gonna look so good when I put that on. And now onto the shorts, which are a little bit trickier, but definitely not too tough. Just take it nice and slow. And when you get to spots where that denim or the material is a bit thicker, just make sure you use the hand wheel so you don't bend or break your needle. And I also suggest using the hand wheel when you reattach those belt loops. Alright, and once the fabric and that trim are both added to the shorts and the pockets, this is what they're looking like. Looking so good. Oh, everything is done, guys. I cannot wait to try this on. This is hands down one of my favorite outfits, so I gotta go try this thing on. Let's go.
And that's it, guys, a DIY two-piece matching set for just a few bucks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. Thank you for subscribing if you're already subscribed, and if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. New music.